Clearwater, Florida, is known for its stunning beaches, coastal breezes, and sunny weather. For homeowners in this vibrant area, finding the right windows to complement their properties while withstanding the unique climate is essential. Custom casement windows are an excellent solution, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability tailored to Clearwater's needs. Here's how custom casement window solutions can transform your Clearwater property, enhance your living space, and provide long-lasting benefits. Tailored designs to match your home's aesthetic. Every home has a unique style, and custom casement windows allow you to create a look that perfectly complements your Clearwater property. Whether you own a modern beachfront home or a classic Florida bungalow, casement windows can be customized to enhance your home's character. Custom design options. Frame materials. Choose from durable options like vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or aluminum to match your home's architecture and withstand Clearwater's climate. Color and finish. Select from a range of colors and finishes, from coastal whites and pastels to bold, modern tones. Glass styles. Add decorative elements such as frosted, tinted, or etched glass to personalize your windows while maintaining privacy. Custom designs ensure that your casement windows seamlessly integrate into your home's aesthetic. Maximizing natural light and ventilation. Clearwater's sunny weather and coastal breezes are some of the area's biggest attractions. Custom casement windows are designed to make the most of these natural benefits, creating bright, airy spaces throughout your home. How custom casement windows enhance light and airflow. Uninterrupted views. Large, single-pane designs offer expansive views of Clearwater's scenic surroundings while maximizing natural light. Adjustable openings. Customize the size and angle of your windows to capture the perfect amount of light and ventilation for each room. Strategic placement. Work with professionals to position casement windows where they'll provide the best light and airflow, such as living rooms, kitchens, or home offices. By tailoring your casement windows to your home's needs, you can enjoy a brighter, more comfortable living space. Built for Clearwater's coastal climate. Clearwater's proximity to the coast means your windows must withstand high humidity, salty air, and occasional storms. Custom casement windows are built with materials and features specifically designed for durability in this environment. Weather-resistant features. Corrosion-resistant materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist rust, warping, and fading caused by coastal conditions. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated options protect your home during storm season, meeting Clearwater's building codes. Sealed construction. Professional installation ensures airtight seals to keep out moisture, drafts, and debris. With custom casement windows, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are designed to endure Clearwater's unique climate. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Energy-efficient custom casement windows help Clearwater homeowners maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy costs. These windows are tailored with advanced features to keep your home cool during hot summers and warm during cooler months. Energy-saving options. Low-E glass coatings. Reflect heat and block UV rays, keeping your home cooler while protecting interiors from fading. Insulated glass panes. Double or triple pane glass improves thermal performance and minimizes heat transfer. Compression seals. Create a tight seal that prevents air leaks, improving efficiency and reducing energy bills. By choosing energy-efficient custom casement windows, you'll enjoy lower utility costs and a more sustainable home. Enhanced functionality and security. Custom casement windows aren't just stylish, they're also designed for ease of use and enhanced safety. Their side-hinged design and versatile features make them practical for any Clearwater home. Functional benefits. Smooth operation. Crank handles make opening and closing casement windows effortless, even in hard-to-reach spaces. Secure locks. Multi-point locking systems provide superior security, keeping your home safe from potential intruders. Custom sizes. Tailor your windows to fit unique spaces, such as above kitchen sinks or in narrow hallways, for added functionality. Custom solutions ensure your windows are as practical as they are beautiful. Adds value and curb appeal. Custom casement windows are a worthwhile investment that enhances both the interior and exterior of your Clearwater property. Their sleek design and tailored features make them a standout feature that adds value to your home. Curb appeal and value benefits. Modern aesthetics. Custom finishes and designs create a polished, high-end look that boosts your home's exterior appeal. Energy savings appeal. Potential buyers value homes with energy-efficient upgrades like custom casement windows. Timeless charm. The versatile style of casement windows ensures they remain an attractive feature for years to come. By upgrading to custom casement windows, you're investing in your home's long-term value and marketability. Personalized installation for a perfect fit. Custom casement windows require expert installation to ensure they look and perform their best. Professional window installers in Clearwater will work closely with you to design and fit windows that meet your specific needs. Why professional installation matters. Precision fit. Experts measure and install windows with exacting accuracy, eliminating air leaks and gaps. Tailored solutions. Professionals ensure your custom windows are perfectly aligned with your home's structure and design. Long-lasting performance. Proper installation maximizes the lifespan and functionality of your windows. Partnering with experienced installers ensures your custom casement windows deliver lasting benefits. Conclusion. Custom casement windows are an excellent way to enhance the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your Clearwater home. From tailored designs and energy-efficient features to superior durability and security, these windows are the perfect solution for homeowners seeking a personalized touch. If you're ready to transform your property with custom casement windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With their expertise, you'll enjoy beautifully designed windows that perfectly reflect your style and meet the demands of Clearwater's coastal climate.